Good afternoon everyone, so we're looking at another Bulova watch review. Let's have a little look at the unboxing first. When you're from Amazon, usually it comes wrapped in cellophane. Thought they did away with all this stuff, but oh well. So initial look at the box, it's housed in a white sort of outside overall cover, revealing a black style box with gold detailing, as you can see here, and a simple flap that just slots down like so, revealing the watch inside. I'm going to chuck my gloves on so we can have a look at the watch. I don't know why they've put this cushion here when there's a cushion here. Oh well, no matter. So here we go guys, this is the Bulova Sutton 43mm. Bag out of the way. So it's got a £300 retail price and a 12mm case thickness, retails at 180 grams and uses a automatic movement. There's two variants to this watch. You can go for the all stainless steel with the blue detailing, or you can go for all black with all black casing, etc, etc. So let's have a little look with the light off so you can have a little look in a bit more detail at the style of the watch. I think that looks nice with the light off actually. So you've got, let's come down to that dial. So the dial is a full skeletal view of that automatic movement. I will tell you or hopefully tell you what the movement is in the back when we go around to the back of the actual watch. I didn't find out on the specifications originally what the movement is, but it's an automatic movement and a full skeletal view, as you can see from that dial there. Full Roman numeral finish going all around the outside on the increments. There's no date dial from what I can see, but it's a nice sort of, it gives off this white theme to it. I know it's quite stainless steel, it's quite stainless steel inside in terms of that ring there, but it gives off a white look when you look at it. So with this watch you get 100-meter waters and a sapphire glass across the top, so fully scratch resistant as well. Very nice stylish watch. So a little bit about Bulova. It was founded by Joseph Bulova in 1875 in America, and when he sort of started, he opened one store in New York, probably back when it was a little bit cheaper. And so over time they've picked up so many accolades of what they've done, the actual brand. For example, 46 NASA missions, and they even put one watch in the Sea of Tranquility, which I believe is on the moon as well. Yeah, that's a little bit of information about the brand. So coming around to the casing, we got a full polish finish on the casing, as you can see here. Lots of individual bends to the metal here, lots of individual components going into that probably. Nice mould to the actual look. Good polish finish, all the way consistent on the outside as well. A nice stainless steel flat ring as well on the top. Overall, seems to be very nicely put together. The crown is also housed in a little bit of crown protection as well. A nice audible winder. It's a pop-out crown with a nice strong resistance to the actual hands there. It's not the strongest I've felt, but it does feel an element of quality there. It does feel really nice. Fully luminous increment, not fully luminous increment, sorry, fully luminous hand tips as well. So coming down to the strap, you've got a 22mm style strap, adjustable by little tiny pins on the side there rather than screws. Coming down to where it comes down to, it's a butterfly style clasp, you can see from the fold over system going both ways, revealing a nice stainless steel interior component. I hardly thought this would be a cheap mechanism inside here. Lastly, let's have a look at the movement in the back. So we've got a 21 dual automatic moving there from Japan, a CMW1, and some markings on the outside, which will probably be able to confirm that. So there we go, that is the Bulova Sutton 43mm.